Hi there, hope you're well. Using the MEILIANG watercolors again today. I'm going to do like a little swirl, different colours going around the page. I've got a size 10 brush, I think it is, and just going to pick colours that I like really and just make some lovely swirls. So any colour you like. Just go round the page. Just going to be adding on to these. Just picking favourite colours. Slightly getting bigger as they go further out. It's very easy to do this one. Well, I think all my paintings are pretty easy to do really. Anyone can do them with any level of skill. It's just about having fun really, enjoying yourself. Not thinking that everything's got to be perfect. You get bogged down with that, you never enjoy painting. I'm going to add some more layers once this has dried. The colours are starting to go a bit muddy here, so I think I'll let it dry, come back, add some more colour. Add some more colour to my swirly painting. Painting's dry now. I've got some metallic watercolours. I'm just going to embellish with a finer size 3 nibbed pen with some of these metallics. Just grab some paint on your brush and just literally just follow some of the lines that are already there. It's not difficult to do at all. It's just adding some interest to your painting. If you haven't got metallics, you can just go over with some different watercolours than the colours you've already laid down. That will add the interest that you're looking for. Painting's dry now. I've got some oil pastels and I'm going to use those to just add some colour. So I'm just going to get them and just draw some lines surrounding the lines we've already got of the paint. So I've got a silicone tool here and I can actually use that to smooth the old pastel. Just gives it a nice uniformed kind of line. So I'm just going to add lovely colour to this just to give it a bit more depth. Just going to add some little marks onto the page, just for a bit of interest. Just going to outline the page. Smooth down the colour with my tool. Peel away the tape. And there you have it, your beautiful gold, metallic, watercolour, swirly kind of abstract. Hope you've enjoyed that. Hope you get to try. Let me know in the comments. Would love to hear from you. Hope to hear from you again soon. Okay,